What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be showing you how I like to curl my hair, and I'm going to be telling you my little tips and tricks as to how I keep my curls in place all day. So let's go ahead and get into it. So to curl my hair, I always start off with my natural hair because I just feel like my natural hair holds the curls way better than straightened hair. Ever since I started doing it, I don't do anything else. So this is my natural hair. And then I always brush my hair, and I like to start from the ends and work my way up to the roots because I just feel like this is the fastest way to do it, and I'm not like pulling on my hair so it doesn't hurt. Now I'm gonna part my hair with my comb, and today I'm gonna be doing a side part. Now as y'all can see, my hair poofy AF, but we're ready to go. Okay guys, now this this is the key to my hair looking beautiful, shiny, glossy, and this is the Creme of Nature Argan Oil Gloss and Shine Mist, and I love this stuff because it moisturizes my skin. It moisturizes my hair and also protects it but I don't like putting a lot because if I do put a lot Alright y'all, I had to take a break real quick because I just couldn't deal. But as I was saying, I'm gonna be putting on my spray that moisturizes and protects my hair, and I only like to put a little bit because if I put too much then my hair is gonna end up looking greasy, and we don't want that. Now to actually curl my hair, I'm going to be using my Nano Silver Curling Iron by Conair, and I love this because it's super inexpensive and it curls my hair really well. Okay, so now I'm going to be sectioning my hair, and I like to use these little duck clip thingies, and I put my hair in like a half up, half down hairstyle. So I'm just going to take the top half of my hair and tie this up with a clip. Okay, so pretty much all I do is I take my curling iron and I wrap it around. And curling my hair with short hair is kind of difficult, but I just wrap the hair as best as I can, and I leave it there for about 10 seconds to really make sure the curl stays. And then I just hold it in my hand for a couple seconds to really make sure that it's not gonna fall. And there's my cute little curl. Okay, so I'm done with the bottom half, so I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this back so I can do the rest of my hair. And I'm just going to tie this back. Actually, I'm gonna clip this back. I'm going to be splitting this in half to make it easier for myself. And I'm just going to speed up me curling the rest of my hair. I'm just gonna fix up any curls that kind of fell or anything. And that's pretty much my curled hair. And that is pretty much how I curl my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to be notified whenever I upload a video. I'll see you guys in my next one.